My name is Patrick Lynett. I am a professor of engineering from the University of Southern California in the United States. I am here in Greenland working with the authorities in geology and geophysics to understand the tsunami hazard throughout Greenland. So as part of the tsunami hazard assessment, what we have done is we've run numerical models which predict how the tsunami evolves in both space and time. With the output from these models, we can create movies, animations, which show the tsunami moving through the fjord and how large the tsunami amplitude is. We use these to describe how long it takes for the tsunami to get to various settlements, the path that the energy takes, because sometimes it's quite indirect. It may loop around islands and come from an unexpected direction. And most importantly, how big the tsunami is when it reaches these locations.